Welcome back to Primetime News. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has expressed concern over recent incidents of alleged misconduct involving members of the police force. He described the incidents, some of which have been circulating on social media, as cause for grave concern. Dr. Blake is urging police officers to take responsibility by reporting or challenging colleagues who engage in improper behavior. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Videos like this one showing a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force assaulting an elderly man has sparked outrage among Jamaicans in recent weeks.
Abuse them authority. Them abuse them authority. It don't matter the circumstances what you come on. If you come for Tom Jones, you're not supposed to have beat old man, beat young boy.
The officer involved has been placed on interdiction pending the outcome of a thorough investigation by iProbe. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake has taken note of some of these incidents. In his latest weekly column in the Force Orders, Dr. Blake warned that unprofessional behavior by officers risks undermining recent progress in reducing violent crime, including murders. Dr. Blake said, quote, "Some of the unprofessional conduct of a few of our members are surfacing and are cause for grave concern."
Hey, don't kill it, officer, ease them up.
The commissioner also noted that public perception of misconduct is often generalized to the entire Jamaica Constabulary Force. The concerns come at a time when the JCF has recorded a more than 30% reduction in murders since the start of the year. It's also against the backdrop of the JCF's ongoing transformation agenda. Dr. Blake made it clear that such gains remain vulnerable if standards of conduct are not consistently upheld across the force. He said, quote, "I want you to share the High Command's intolerance of these behaviors whenever you're on duty with a colleague who believes that to be firm is to be unprofessional. A word to the wise is sufficient. Enough said," end quote. The commissioner urged members to actively challenge inappropriate behavior among colleagues, reinforcing a culture of accountability within the ranks. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.